This type of videos are getting over 20 million views. Yes, you heard it right, 20 million views on these reels. The buzz around the trending AI avatar reel is unstoppable. And guess what? A brand new Instagram account gained a whopping 179,000 followers in just 3 months by uploading this type of reel. Now, this account here have more than 20,000 followers by just uploading this kind of AI-generated talking videos. Let's dive into one of the video itself.
4 psychology tricks you must know in your life. Number 1. If someone insults you, pause for a second and look at them and say, "Are you okay?" Number 2. If you think someone is lying, look at their eyes and don't say anything. Number 3. If you're in an argument, keep your voice calm. It'll give them the impression that you're winning the argument. Number 4. Good posture increases confidence. Spread your body out and take up more space. It'll lead to increased confidence.
And here's the secret behind the creation of this amazing video: the power of artificial intelligence. They used AI to generate images, create animations, and even add an AI-generated voice. Today, I'll show you how to create this type of video for free. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, we'll create an image using Blue Willow, a fantastic free AI tool for text-to-image generation. Simply register or create a new account, then follow the instructions to generate your unique image. You need to write the prompt by tapping the Visualize here and describe in detail what you want your image to look like. Play with different prompt until you find what you like. Then upscale the one you like and save it into your desired folder. Next, we'll create unique quotes using ChatGPT or search on Google. You can also search for famous people's quotes if you prefer. Copy the inspiring tips for teenagers and get ready to bring them to life. I already generated the script. Here is the result. Now, it's time to give your video a voice. Head over to 11labs.io, a free tool that generates a voice like a real human. Look for the type of voice you prefer for the video. It has a lot of great options to choose from. I chose this voice because it's similar to the kind of reels generated out there. Then paste your script and listen to the magic unfold. The voice is ready to captivate your audience. Before we go to the most important part, if you made it this far, please like and subscribe to the channel. Your support means the world to me. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And now, the most exciting part, creating animations. We'll use Huygen.com, a free tool that turns images into talking animations. Sign up or log in. It will give you 1 credit on the free plan. You can always use different Google account if you choose to stay on the free plan just to get started. Then upload your AI-generated image, select portrait mode, and upload your AI-generated voice. Sit back and watch the magic happen. Here is the result.
Embrace self-discovery. Take the time to explore your interests, passions, and values. Discovering who you are and what you love can help guide your choices and decisions in life. Try new activities, join clubs or organizations, and don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone.
Almost there. It's time to add a captivating caption to your video. Use the free editing software CapCut on your PC or mobile app. Import the video, adjust the ratio, and click on the text. Select Auto Captions. Choose the perfect font like Arial Black and adjust the size for maximum impact. Enable stroke and shadow for clear visibility. Customize the caption to your liking. Finally, export the video in 1080p resolution and voila, your masterpiece is complete. Here is what it looks like.
Embrace self-discovery. Take the time to explore your interests, passions, and values. Discovering who you are and what you love can help guide your choices and decisions in life. Try new activities, join clubs or organizations, and don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Set goals and create a vision. Define your short-term and long-term goals. Having a clear vision of what you want to achieve can provide motivation and direction. Break down your goals into actionable steps and create a plan to work towards them. Remember to be flexible and open to adjusting your goals as you grow and learn.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more amazing content in the future. Remember, you have the power to achieve greatness.